Have you ever had one of those days where you know exactly what you should be doing, but you just can't start? Your work is right in front of you, your goals are clear, but somehow you end up scrolling, watching random videos, or just staring at the wall. And the worst part, the more time passes, the worse you feel. You start thinking things like, why am I so lazy? Or everyone else seems to be moving forward except me. If you have ever felt like that, you're not alone. Because in this video, I want to share what I personally do when I feel completely unmotivated and how I slowly get back myself on track. The first thing I used to do when I felt unmotivated was fighting. I would sit there and force myself to work, and when I couldn't focus, I would get angry at myself. But over time, I realized something very important. Motivation doesn't disappear because we are lazy. Most of the time, it disappears because we are tired, overwhelmed, or mentally drained. So now, when I feel unmotivated, I pause for a moment and ask myself, what is actually going on right now? Am I tired? Or else am I stressed? Did I overload myself with too many tasks? Instead of attacking myself with negative thoughts, I try to understand the reason behind my feelings. And surprisingly, that simple step removes a lot of pressure. One of the biggest reasons we lose motivation is because our goals feel too big. For example, saying, I need to study for 3 hours or I need to finish this entire project today. Our brain hears that and immediately thinks that sounds exhausting. So, what I do instead is make the task ridiculously small. Not study for 3 hours, just study for 5 minutes. Not clean the whole room, just pick up 5 things. Most of the time, starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain slowly shifts into focus mode, and suddenly 5 minutes becomes 15, and then, of course, it's 30. But the trick is not forcing yourself to do everything at once. Just start tiny. Another hidden motivation killer is perfectionism. Sometimes we don't start because we feel like what we do won't be good enough. So our brain thinks automatically, if it's not going to be perfect, why even try? But here's something I remind myself often: progress beats perfection every single time. A messy first attempt is still progress, a slow start is still movement. A small improvement today is better than waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. So when I feel stuck, I tell myself this doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to begin. That small mindset shift makes a huge difference. You know what? Sometimes the problem isn't motivation, it's the environment. Yes, if I'm sitting in the same place where I scroll on my phone, watch videos, and relax, my brain automatically goes into relaxation mode. So when motivation drops, I change something around me actually. So maybe like I move to a different room, I clean my desk, go to a quiet corner, or even step out for a short walk. This small reset tells my brain, okay, something new is happening, so it's time to focus. Environment has more power over our behavior than we think. Actually, here is something I wish I understood earlier. Motivation usually comes after action, not before it. Remember that. We often wait until we feel motivated to start. But the truth is, motivation grows while we are already doing something. Think about exercise. Before starting, you might feel lazy, but after 10 minutes of moving, suddenly you feel energized. That's momentum. So instead of asking, do I feel motivated? I always ask myself, what is the smallest action I can take right now? Because once movement starts, momentum takes over. Whenever I feel like giving up or doing nothing, I pause and think about something simple. Why did I start this in the first place? Maybe it was to improve my life, or else maybe it was to learn something new. Maybe it was to create opportunity for my future. Goals start as excitement, but over time they turn into discipline. And discipline isn't about feeling motivated every day, it's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. Not perfectly, just consistently. So, if you ever feel completely unmotivated, remember these few things. First, don't fight the feeling, just understand it. Second, shrink the task until it feels easy to start. Third one is very important. Let go of perfection. Fourth one is literally important. Change your environment. And finally, focus on small actions, not motivation. You don't need a huge burst of energy to move forward. Sometimes all it takes is one small step. So, here is something simple you can try today, right after this video ends. Pick any tiny task you have been avoiding. Just start it for 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no perfection. Just a small step forward.